braised eggplant and peppers with herbs and black garlic is served with black and white tahini and grilled pita and is as delicious as it is beautiful. Let's get started. Heat a large skillet with the extra virgin olive oil on medium heat. I'm using olive oil with a mild green fruitiness for this dish. Add the peppers and sear them on all sides, stirring occasionally until they are blistered and softened. Remove them from the pan. Add the eggplant in a single layer, sear the eggplant, and then cover the pan for 2 minutes. Uncover the pan, stir the eggplant, and allow to sear a little more, adding more olive oil as necessary. Add the peppers back to the pan and toss the peppers and eggplant with herbs, salt, and pepper. On to the white tahini sauce. Whisk together tahini, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, cumin, and water. Blend until smooth. Set aside. And now for the black tahini sauce. Whisk together black sesame paste, pomegranate molasses, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and water. Blend until smooth. Set aside. Time to plate. Spread some of the white and black tahini sauces on a plate. Sprinkle the white tahini with the black sesame seeds and the black tahini with the white seeds. Place the eggplant and pepper mixture on top of the sauces. Serve with grilled pita. And there you have it. The creamy braised eggplant, sweet peppers, and the earthy black garlic served with black and white tahini sauces. It's a perfect combination.